Alright, this is a 2009 1.5 ton 18,000 BTU Samsung window air conditioning unit. I'm gonna start it up here. It's like 90 degrees out right now. That's fucking hot. So gonna be running a low cool set to 68 degrees, I think. I have it set it up, so start it up. Ah, damn, the compressor didn't start. Because before this video I made, I started it up, then I realized, oh, I didn't record. Shut it down again. That's a delay, so gotta wait for it to start. Damn it. Should turn on in a minute. Come on, come on. Cut the video. There it goes.